Have you ever wondered why we resemble our parents yet remain distinctly unique? Welcome to the fascinating world of human genetics, the scientific study that seeks to understand how we are shaped and molded. Like an intricate puzzle, genetics influences our physical traits, our susceptibility to certain health conditions, and even some aspects of our personality. At the heart of genetics is our DNA, a complex molecule that carries our vital genetic instructions. Within this DNA are genes, segments of information that determine specific traits. Think of them as sentences in the story of you. These genes are neatly packed into structures called chromosomes, akin to chapters in our life's book. Together, DNA, genes, and chromosomes form the building blocks of our genetic makeup, the unique code that makes us who we are. This isn't just about the color of your eyes or the shape of your nose. It's about the core of your individuality, the essence of you. So, our genetic code is like a blueprint that defines our individuality. But what exactly are genes? And how do they wield such influence over us? Imagine the blueprints for a skyscraper. These plans hold every detail, every specification needed to construct that towering structure. Now consider that your body is that skyscraper, and genes are your blueprints. Genes are segments of our DNA, the biological molecule that carries the instructions like a master architect for our body's construction, functioning, and growth. Each gene is like a unique section of this blueprint, carrying detailed instructions for a specific function. It could be anything from determining the color of your eyes to the shape of your nose, or even how your body metabolizes certain foods. But here's the fascinating part. Just like no two skyscrapers are identical, no two humans are exactly the same either. This is because of genetic variation. Yes, even though we all carry the same set of genes, the way these genes are expressed varies tremendously from person to person. This variation is what makes us unique, giving us our individual traits and characteristics. It's why some of us have curly hair while others have straight, why some of us are tall and others short. So from dictating our physical appearance to influencing our susceptibility to certain diseases, genes play a pivotal role in our lives. They are the unseen conductors orchestrating the symphony of our existence. In essence, genes are our body's command center, dictating how we look, grow, and even fight diseases. Now, if genes are the command center, chromosomes are the headquarters. But how? Let's dive into the world of chromosomes and their integral role in our genetic makeup. Picture chromosomes as long, intricate strands of DNA, each one a treasure trove of genes. These genes, nestled within the chromosomes, are the blueprints for every trait and characteristic that make us who we are. But chromosomes don't work alone. They operate in pairs like a dynamic duo. Every human has 23 pairs of chromosomes. And here's the fascinating part. We inherit one set of these pairs from each of our parents. This means that half of your chromosomes come from your mother and the other half from your father. This delicate dance of inheritance is how traits are passed down through generations. The role of chromosomes in our genetic makeup is a marvel of nature's design. So, chromosomes are the storage vaults of our genetic information passed down through generations. With all this information, what does the future hold for human genetics? Just imagine a world where we can manipulate our genes to cure genetic diseases. It's not a far-fetched idea. In fact, we're on the brink of such breakthroughs. Genetic engineering, a field that once seemed confined to the realms of science fiction, is now a tangible reality. Through techniques like CRISPR, scientists are learning to edit our genetic code, potentially eradicating inherited diseases and conditions. But it's not just about disease control. The future of genetics could also revolutionize personalized medicine. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, treatments could be tailored to our individual genetic makeup. This could improve the effectiveness of medications, reduce side effects, and even extend lifespans. However, with these advancements come profound ethical considerations. The ability to manipulate genes raises questions about what should be changed and who gets to decide. Should we modify the genes of unborn children to enhance their traits? And if so, who gets to define what is enhanced? These are not just scientific questions, but societal ones that we must grapple with as we step into this brave new world of genetics. As we continue to unravel the secrets of our genetic code, we step into a future where we might be able to customize our genes, cure genetic diseases, and even unlock the potential for extraordinary traits. The possibilities are as vast as our DNA itself.